Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create wedding timeline planner. So open Excel and click on new and search wedding timeline planner. Then select it. Now here click on create. So you will see this template ready to use, and just you need to customize as your choice and requirement. So there is the 12 month to go. Here you will see arrange a gathering for you and your parents. There are some more options we can see here. So hopefully guys you like this video, and if you done here, so just type here done. So it will create out. If you type here done, so it will create out. Like this. So this is the 12 month wedding planner. Thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you or not. And this is the basic video to learn how to create wedding timeline planner using this ready to use template. Just you customize and minimize some changes if you need. Still you are facing any problem, so comment, I will create a tutorial about this one. Thanks for watching.